Okay, so next we're gonna be learning something a little bit more straightforward, which is how to add comments in our blueprints. So if you already come from like a programming course, you should have an idea already of what are comments. Basically, a description that we add to the development of the project so that other programmers or you yourself look at the comment and have a little bit of a better idea of what's going on. Okay, so now let's learn how we add these comments to the blueprint itself. Okay, so basically there's two types of comment that you can add. You can either comment a single node or comment a block of nodes. Okay, so let's just start with the single one. So let's say we want to add a comment on this first event begin play. So we will need to right click. Then here you see how it says node comment. Here we're gonna write what we wanna comment for this node. So here, let's just put game game starts here, right? Something like this, right? Game starts here because this is the node that does the begin play, right? Here is where the game properly starts. Now we have a comment there explaining that, right? But now, what if we want to add a comment to what's happening next? What is happening next? Remember, we're waiting 5 seconds and then the game is quitting. So now, instead of commenting the single node, I'm gonna do left click and select both of the nodes here. Let me just drag so like this. Select the two here. Now right click and now you're gonna do comment group, create comment from selection. So click on that, and then as you can see, this kind of like window is gonna appear that is the comment itself. So here we're gonna say delay 5 seconds, then quit game. Because that's pretty much what's happening, right? We're waiting 5 seconds, then the game quits. So now we have a kind of like a block comment here that properly gives that description. Okay, so compile and save. And remember, these are just comments, so they are not really going to affect the functionality of the level. It's more for our convenience so that we know what's going on when we look at our notes. Okay.